Attio valueSetAt timestamp the exact moment a lead became an MQL. You can't enforce an SLA, you can't timestamp. Well, valueSetAt answers this question. So it gives the lifecycle stage or any status attribute with the value and returns the exact moment a lead became an MQL or any other value that you can use or you have in your mind. If we want to give more concise approach in this attribute, we can create an additional concatenation of different attributes. We wrap it and they diff against today, and you got time to first touch on every record. For the current value, pass the attribute itself again while you set at your attribute your value. The docs claim there is a current keyword. It doesn't work. There is also a position argument first or last for when a value happened more than once. We're Craftt. We help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Want hands-on help? Book a free Attio audit, link below.